Welcome to Vogue with me, Catwalk and Duckwalk. Here we'll be working on those two steps together, those two dance forms. With the first hand, meow, here we go. First hand is going to reach out and across my face. I reach out and across my face, and that is my first hand. With my second hand, I'm going to reach across and swipe, swipe across. So I have my two hands, swipe and pull, swipe and pull, swipe and pull, swipe and pull. There it is, my two hands. So with the other hand, we're going to pull across, and then we're going to reach across with the other hand. So our second hand reaches back for our hand ahead, the first hand reaches across the body. So pull, swipe, and then again with the other hand, we're going to pull and swipe. That is our two steps, 1 and 2. Here we go, pull, swipe. Again, to demonstrate pull, swipe, do like this, pull, swipe. Again, pull, swipe. There's our form, pull, swipe, pull, swipe, pull, swipe, pull, swipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull, swipe, pull, swipe, pull, swipe, pull, swipe. And that is the top part of our catwalk. Now for the legs, they're a little bit different. With our legs, we reach forward with our foot, and we're going onto our toe. Our leg reaches forward and steps on it, and then the other one can swivel forward, just like we did with the first leg. So we step forward with that foot, and then the other leg goes forward. Again, we're going to be on our tippy toes, really like kind of bouncing, and this is our kind of bounce in our tippy toes when we're stepping. Step, step, step. Step, and this is a kind of like a balance. It's unstable because we're on our tippy toes. So step, 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 step. That's how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was an exaggeration. So now we have it really tight. We want to find something in the middle between exaggeration and really too tight. And that's our catwalk for the legs. So with the bounce, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we are. I'm going to step backwards to make our restart. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for our beat. So let's try our full catwalk together. With our full catwalk, we're going to have some kind of starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we're going to have our little step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, let's try this one more time. Opposite hand reaches forward while the opposite foot reaches forward as well. And that's our catwalk. But for the duck walk, it's a little bit different. We're going to start our hands in the same way. So here we are, our hands. We're going to make an L shape, and we're going to be flapping. Flap and flap, back and forth. So we're going to have a lot of bounce for the duck walk because we need the bounce for our duck walk. So as you can see, I'm bouncing and I'm flapping back and forth, making that nice little square. Similar to the catwalk, but I'm making a square. And I'm bouncing, 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 bouncing. And that's where it is. Now, note the legs of the duck walk are going to be a little bit different. So to warm up our legs, we're going to kick out and step. This is really what we're doing. We're going to be on our toes, but we're going to kick out with our legs. This is to warm us up for the duck walk, because we're actually going to do this in a squatting position, but we need to have that feeling of kicking out. So kick, 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 and moving our weight from foot to foot, side to side. So with our knees bent, sitting back on down, we find our bounce, and then from our bouncing, we can find a little bounce and kick. Our bounce and kick, and we can use our hands to help our knees if we want. But it's really that bounce that I had with my hands that's going to give it the energy it needs. So with our hands, we're going to use our bounce, 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 bounce. And the hand that comes up is the same one that goes with the leg, as you can see. There it is. So going into the duck walk is kind of pretty simple. We go from our catwalk and we start backwards, and we just sit down and we start bouncing into it. We start bouncing into it and we sit up. So again, walk forward with the catwalk, and then we walk backwards, and we're going into our ducky ducky duck 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 walk. There it is. Again, we bounce, 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 bounce. Alright, now let's do our full phrase from catwalk to duck walk. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, here we go. And we're going to start 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. 6, 7, 8. Down to the squat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there it is, our full phrase. Thank you. Please repeat this clip if you would like to do it again, or go on to the next video. Thank you.